So we got a question in the sales and community, basically related to how someone can get the clients which they eventually sign awesome freaking results with meta ads so that they actually fulfill on their promise which they make on the sales calls. Because I know a lot of you will be giving guarantees and everything like this guy, saying that if he does not get him like 25, 30 appointments, he does not have to pay a single penny. I'm pretty sure you don't want to give out refunds to people. I'm pretty sure you want to retain these clients for very long periods of time. So, yeah, this is exactly what you need to do. For the context, this person asked, like, I'm stuck, what do I do? So, he found a construction based lead, like, he found a company which does construction and everything. He agreed for the consultation call, which I think is another way of saying like the sales call. So, from what I understand, he basically has a guy who's like, yeah, let's get on a call, and his offer is to provide him 25 to 30 appointments every single month, or he does not pay. Pretty typical offer in the agency niche, like lead generation agency for local businesses. Like pretty similar offer, pretty common one. And if you're watching this, you also have a offer like this. So the problem which this guy is currently facing is he does not know how to get appointments. He has used meta ads earlier and he has generated leads as well, but he does not know how to convert these leads into appointments. Because what a lot of agencies do is they run these ads for these local businesses and they just give them like a list of people, like, yeah, call these people up, do whatever. And when these business owners they call these people and all, they never really got good results. So that's why leads are not enough in 2025. And at the same time, if you don't know how to generate leads too, I'll cover that in this video. So if you don't even have the lead generation part sorted out, this will help you as well. And yeah, so that's the basic problem. He can generate leads but not appointments. He's also confused that do I have to make them a video sales letter, basically a VSL? Like if you go over to this website, which is my software for local businesses, you can see this is a video which basically details explains everything to them. And I'm just doing the role of a 24/7 salesman using this video. So a VSL is basically that, something which sells for you 24/7, in case you don't know that. And he's asking like, do I get them to record a video for that, or a video which I can add on their website, on their funnel and everything, so that when people watch that video, they're convinced this construction company is going to be the best thing and they eventually get more customers. So he's asking me like, should he give them the script and ask them to record the video? Because VSLs, these letters, they increase the chances to book more appointments and everything. The last question he asked is also for the meta ads campaign creative. Uh, uh, yeah. So he's basically asking like, if we have to create like the ad creators, do I have to ask them to record the videos for that? And for their website, should I ask them to add like a VSL, a video sales letter for the same? So he has these questions and is asking for the same. So I actually created like a full on guide on how you can go through this entire thing and how you can actually get good results for your clients using meta ads. So firstly, if you don't know how to generate leads, I'm assuming a lot of people who are watching this won't know it because they've never ran ads in the past. So what I'll do is inside of SalesGen, we actually have like an AI ad launcher, and you can get it by requesting activation, because this is a feature we only sell to local businesses right now. So you can see this is a version of SalesGen for local businesses, which we call Scale Local AI. And you can just come here. I'll actually show you a quick brief demo. I don't know how to launcher. I'll just mute this. So yeah, that's what you do if local businesses want a software and they want to run AI powered ad campaigns and they want like leads and everything. We sell like an AI ad launcher to them, and this is kind of what it looks like. So you have like ready-made Google ads and meta ad campaigns for all industries. I know you asked for meta, but we have it for Google as well. So Google ad campaigns, meta ad campaigns, and you can see like 200 people using it, 400 using it, 220 using it. So that's what I would suggest you to do, because this gives you like proven ready to convert templates in almost all the industries you can think of, like the popular niches. So that's going to be the best thing. You can request this, like sign the client first. You're going to get paid like $1,000 at least a $500, and then you can invest like $99 a month extra into this. This is obviously going to be charged extra. It's not oh shit, my phone actually just fell. So yeah, it's not a native SalesGen feature, so obviously it's going to be charged extra. And if you want this activated in your SalesGen account, just reply to this post or create a new post, tag me, say that you want this AI ad launcher to be activated, and just reply with your email address as well. In the future, we might include it as a native feature inbuilt inside of SalesGen on especially like the expensive plans and everything. But as of now, you have to request activation separately because this is only included for local business clients right now. So that's what I'll suggest. You can use like the AI ad launcher which we have inside because it's obviously like genuinely it's great. You have like hundreds, thousands of ad campaigns which are already working in the niche which your clients or customers are in. So you might be working with roofing companies, construction companies, HVAC companies. What are the other niches like plumbing, roofing, med spas, chiropractors, gyms, dentists, all these different niches. We have profitable campaigns ready for that. It's already proven to work. So you can just click like three buttons, make a couple of changes. Like you have copywriting, everything done as well. You have the graphics ready as well. So you can just download that exact image, make some changes in Canva. It will take you like 2 minutes. You can see like the ad copy, make some changes, like change the name of the business or something. And in literally like what, 3 clicks, like 5 to 10 minutes, you can have like profitable campaigns ready for your clients. So if you don't know how to generate leads, this is generally what I'll suggest you to do because you're getting like paid from your client like $2,000. If you invest $99 into this, you're still getting a 20x return on investment. If there was a stock where you could put money in today, right now, and in 30 days it would increase like 20 times, would you do it? Obviously, yes. So why not invest into this? This is genuinely the thing which I'm going to be doing if I ever get into the niche of lead generation for local businesses because it removes all the guesswork and everything. So that's how I would start, how I'll go about this. This would also reduce like a lot of massive headaches because when you don't know something, learning it and everything is a very big hassle. It's a very big pain in the ass, and it also reduce your churn because if your clients are not getting good results in like the first 30 days, the chances of them sticking is really going to be low. So if you can like literally launch profitable campaigns from day one, it's I mean like I think it's going to be worth it, man, because you reduce your churn. After that, anyways, like I know some of you might be like, yeah bro, like I'm dead broke, I live in Nigeria and I don't have a single penny to invest, and something like you'll make some crap up that you don't want to invest. So if you don't have this like $99 a month to invest, if you're literally going to go bankrupt, you'll be dead broke on the streets or something. If you invest $99, this is what I'll do. Like this is the manual approach. So you can go to Facebook ads library and just click over here, and in the Facebook ads library it's basically a place where you can see all the campaigns or like all the ads which are currently running on Meta. So you can select any country. So let's say your client was in like let's say United States. I'll just do that. You can also do it for cities as well. So you can search like New York as well. No, okay, you have to select a country, my bad. Earlier it used to happen. So yeah, just search the country of the place like where your client is based out of. So if you're doing it for someone in UK, select United Kingdom. If you're doing it for people in the US, just select United States. And ad category, just select like all ads. And then just search for the industry of the person. So let's say this person is running ads for construction companies. I'll just search like construction over here. Boom. Just select the country where your person, like your client is based, and just search for construction. Actually added this stupid thing as well. And now this will give you a list of all the ads which are currently running in the construction industry, which have the word construction and everything. You can see like all these different things, like all these different ads.
Hi, my name is Aaron,
Which
and I've been in the
people are running like image ads, like other ads. And yeah, this is literally an entire database, an entire library of that. And what we want to do is we have to find ads which have been running for at least 2 to 4 weeks. So what we do, we go to ad library, we search for the exact industry in which our client belongs to, and we can see like 50,000 plus active ads running right now. So we have like 50,000 pieces of data to look at. So we can just simply do this search for the industry. And now what you want to do is obviously like this ad started running like 17 hours ago. This ad started running like on 1st April, like 2 days ago, 3 days ago. But we want to look at ads which have been running for like 2 to 4 weeks already, because that means those ads have been performing well. Because I'll give you like a simple example. Uh, I'll just search for like, I'll give you a simple example to get the point across. I'll just search for Ability. So this is a company in India, like a coaching consulting company, which does pretty decent revenue. I think they do around what, close to like $150,000 a month in revenue. And if we go to their really old ads, if we like scroll down and down and down, you can find this ad. And this ad has been running for 3rd May, since 3rd May 2024. This has been running for how long? Like April, May, like almost a year. This has been running for 11 months. Do you think a person is stupid to put money for 11 months into something if it's not providing him a return? So this is the most successful ad they've had, and they've not made any single change to this. This is the exact landing page, which makes him like over $150,000 a month. And this is the exact ad, like this plain boring ad. I'm looking for 5 coaches / agencies who want to learn how we are generating 50 high ticket clients every month. Boom, 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 blah, 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 blah. Like, this guy has been running this for 11 months. And if it has been running for 11 months, that clearly means it's working. Because if it was not working, if it was not providing him leads and appointments and sales, he would stop running it. That's the entire thing we want to do. So we can come over here, search for the construction like industry. I'm using this. You can do it for any industry, only because like the person who asked that question, he was targeting like the construction niche. And now we can go over to filter, and we can just come down below, and we can see like till what date we want the ads to be running. So whatever the date is, like it's 3rd April as of me recording this, you can just go back like 2 weeks. So like 14 days ago, if I had to go, like I can go over to like 20th March. So I only want to see ads which are currently running, which were launched before 20th March. So if I apply on that filter, you can see like 5,800 of these ads. They've been running for like, actually I searched it in India, so I'll have to search for United States. You can, by the way, do it like all over the world as well. Just select all, and it will show you ads in like all places of the world. So if you don't want to filter specifically to just one country, and you want inspiration from all across the world, you can do it. So I just search for it. I'll apply the filter that I want to see ads which have been running for, like which were launched before 20th March, and they're still running, or maybe we can go, yeah. So if I just do that, all these ads are clearly getting results. Like this is like a tree removal company. So you might have to search for better keywords. Like just think of what would a company, like what would an ad which a construction company is running, what would they include? So like let's say if I am running an ad for roofers will probably include like the word estimates, even bathroom and kitchen remodeling things, whatever. So you can like search for those keywords over here. Obviously I don't know the construction industry really well, so yeah, that's why I'm getting like these wrong results. Yeah, so a lot of these are actually from roofers, real estate agents. So you just have to search for the correct keywords. I really don't know this industry, but I think you get the point. So you just have to search for a keyword over here which is going to be relevant to the industry. So I can search for construction. Like let's say you can use these double quotation marks. You can just enter this, and this will show you ads which contain like the exact word. So let me search for construction. What are some other keywords these construction companies might use? I really have no idea. So yeah, so you can see like I think this is a construction company. Let's try to, yeah, I think this is a construction company. So you can see this ad has been running, so like this is only recent, so it's not running for a very long period of time. If we scroll down below, if we try to apply the filter, that it should be running for more than like 2 weeks, and we only want to see ads that will launch before 20th March and they are still running. Will I be able to see it? Yeah, so you can see like this is again like a construction company if I'm not wrong, but why do they have like a stupid phone holder over here? Anyways, like the point I'm trying to like convey is just search for the keywords which ads of your industry might include. I'm not in the construction niche, so obviously I don't know. I know what keywords people in my niche are going to be using, so I can just search that. For example, if I wanted to search for like let's say med spas, I know like people will include like med spa probably. like except those idiots who run ads for mid spawners. So obviously I don't want that. So I can try to go to 20th March over here. Boom. Yeah, you can see this ad has been running for a very long period of time, over 2 weeks. And if it has been running, this is clearly working. So I can use this for inspiration, like what to write in the copy. I can use this for inspiration to, like, this is the copy which you write. You can use it for inspiration of like the ad headlines. You can use it for inspiration for the ad creatives and everything. So, yeah, like, this is also a really good strategy of getting profitable ads ready from the get go. As a rule of thumb, like, you just reverse engineer these things, like the ad creatives, the ad headlines, the ad copy for everything. And yeah, just watch a couple more tutorials on YouTube. I'm pretty sure you'll figure it out. Meta ads are not really that difficult or something. As a rule of thumb, I would always suggest you to run like lead formats. Like, there are different types of ads. So for example, what you can do is, like, when you launch an ad, I don't know if I have like an active ad account. Don't know if I have like an active ad account, so if I can even show you. So let's see, I'm going for med spas, like I'm looking for med spas in the world. So there can be different type of ads. For example, this ad will ask them to send them a message on Facebook. This ad will ask them to call them. This ad, like, what is it asking people to do? Not really sure. I don't see a button over here. This ad is gonna ask them to visit their Instagram profile. If we click on this, like this ad, yeah, if we click on this ad, this will take us to a website, their website, where people can book in the consultation. Over here, people can directly book like a appointment with them, if I'm not wrong. No, it just opens up her Instagram. So over here, we can like send her a message, we can call. So the point I'm trying to convey is there can be different types of ads. Like, if we click on this ad, I think we message the person. So what I'm trying to convey is there are a lot of different types of ads. Some ads allow you to, like, go to their website, call them up, or send them a message on Facebook, send them a message on Instagram. Some of them, I'm pretty sure you've seen those ads where you click on learn more and then it asks for your phone number and it asks for your like name and everything. I'll just show you what it looks like, then it'll make sense. Ads, IG. So yeah, I think you've seen ads like this when you click on like this. No, not this one. Oh, why can't I see like a good image? Formats, Instagram. Like, let's say you're running this. Why is it so fucking difficult to find a good one? Oh, I really wanted to show people a picture. Damn, seems like we don't have any pictures available. But I'm sure you've seen ads like this where you click on like learn more over here and then it asks you to fill like a quick form inside of Instagram and Facebook only. They don't take you to like a third party website. They don't take you to some other place. Like, they don't do anything. And they just enter like open like a quick form in Facebook and Instagram where you can put in your contact details. So I'll always suggest you to run those type of ads because the cost per lead, just based on what I've seen and heard, is lower than other types of ads. So that's what I'll suggest you to do. Run lead form ads, as cost per lead is obviously going to be cheaper. So yeah, that's like the lead generation part taken care of. If you truly like apply this, getting leads won't be difficult. But now the question arises, which was like the question in the original video: how can you generate leads? Like, how can you convert these leads into customers? Sorry. Step 0, you have to use SalesGen, which is my awesome, lovely software. You need to connect your Facebook ad account over here. So over here, you can come over to SalesGen. You can come over to Launchpad in your account, and over here, you can click on this thing called like connect daily with prospects and everything, blah 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 blah. So you can just simply connect your Facebook and everything. Got it? And you just simply log into the Facebook account where you're running the ads. It's not very complicated. Again, pretty simple. you can come over to settings, and I think you can do it from settings as well, where's the, yeah, you can come over to settings, integrations, and after that you can connect your, like your Facebook and Instagram over here, where you can auto sync like leads, and you can respond to like all, like do a lot of other cool shit as well. But yeah, for the purpose of like running the ads, you simply need to first connect your Facebook account to our platform, so that we can actually see like when people become a lead and everything. Yeah, what we're now going to be doing is, the moment someone submits a form, because we're going to be running like lead form ads, because cost per lead is cheaper, the problem usually arises that businesses get a lot of leads, but there's no one to actually convert these leads into customers later down the road, whatever. And that's a problem we will fix. So what we're going to be doing is, we're going to be using conversation AI inside of SalesGen to contact leads automatically. Like whenever someone becomes a lead, we're going to be using AI to contact them. We'll ask them some questions to qualify them, and then we'll book appointments for them in like 10 seconds. We're going to be doing all of this extremely freaking fast. We're going to be contacting them in like 10 freaking seconds, because if leads are contacted, like it's a little statistic that if leads are contacted in less than a minute, the conversion rates increase 391%. So if you want to get like 4 times more sales, you simply have to contact people under 60 seconds. And you cannot do it, the business owner cannot do it, only AI and automation can do it. So what we're going to be doing is, we're going to be training conversation AI. Like you can come over to your sales account, and over here where it says AI agents, just come here, and over here you have this option of conversation AI. You can create like multiple bots. For example, you can see like this business is using it, like this med spa is using this as well. Yeah, so you just click on like create bot over here. You can decide what you want to use it for. Over here we want to use it for appointment booking. Boom, it's actually pretty simple. I'll just show you how fast it is to actually get this thing running. Give it any freaking name. Like I just try to find like a random construction company in Ruction. Let's say I have this construction company in London. Let's say I'm using this, like, yeah, let's just say this is the company. Yep. I'll open the homepage. I'll copy the URL over here right now, and then I'll just give it like a name, like row construction, something like that. I think that was the name. You put it on autopilot so that like it automatically responds to people. Now you can choose where you want to contact the customers. So you can do it over like Instagram, Facebook, whatever. I'll suggest either use WhatsApp or SMS, because it has like the highest open rates and the highest conversion rates. I think it has like a 98% open rate if I'm not wrong. So yeah, definitely use either WhatsApp or SMS. If you're in the US and people use SMS more, use SMS. If you're outside of US and people use WhatsApp more, then use WhatsApp. Yeah, just choose any one of this and select the medium of communication. You can use both as well, whatever works. After that, you just give it like the name of the business. So row construction London. You can decide like how fast it should respond. So I'll suggest to keep it to like 10 seconds. Boom, 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 and click on save. After that, when it comes to bot training over here, just click on this, and you can literally just paste the link of the website, and you can click on get data. And now it will scrape the entire website, and it's now like, I'll actually just delete the existing data because I built this bot for other companies as well. Like you literally paste the website, and now it's going to extract all the data. You can see the data it has extracted from the website over here. So now we have all the instructions about the business. Obviously this is about the business. You can come over here and you can add more information. You can ask the client for more info. They'll usually be very happy to give it to you. If there are like a lot of frequently asked questions, you can add it over here. Just add, like, click on this plus button and add all the questions which are asked, and write the answer, like the question and the answer. And after that, when it comes to bot goals, you can decide, like you can just give it text-based instructions, what exactly you wanted to do. Tell it that when someone submits a lead form, it's going to reach out to those people, and then it's going to convert those into customers. And after that, just click over here. If you want to book an appointment for your clients, you can create a calendar for them. Like just select the calendar which you're going to be using this, and yeah, you can just simply do all of this, click on save, and now the bot is going to be booking appointments and meetings for these people. Now we can come on dashboard, see all the stats, but yeah, you can just test the bot. So I can be like, hey, who are you? Let's say we reach out to the person and you see, just to show you that, yeah, role London construction, we specialize in this. Can I book? Yeah, obviously you can specify it. I won't go into a lot of nitty gritty details, but it will automatically book a meeting. So let's say I say I wanna book a meeting, whatever. Yeah, so it will automatically check the availability and give you a time. Tomorrow, 10 a.m. Boom. So if it's not available, it will automatically reschedule as well. 9 works. Boom. Yep. Yes. So that's the entire process of it. So we use this AI bot to automatically reach out to these people and these customers, and we use calendars to ensure like zero double meetings are booked and everything. And you can give like AI text instructions, space a website of the company to give it more info. And now you might be wondering, Somil, but how do we use it to contact the people who become a lead? So like you can come over to automations and we can create like a really simple automation that I'll just open it up. Let's just say I create like a simple automation. I start from scratch. So yeah, when you click on here where it says like add new trigger, so this is basically us telling it what to do, like when do we start the automation. So you can see like whenever a Facebook lead form is submitted, obviously you need to connect your page and everything. Then the automation will be triggered. So you connect that and then you can do it. And whenever a Facebook lead form is submitted, then we send either a SMS messages or we can send like a WhatsApp message, whatever people use more. So you can just click on WhatsApp and boom, 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 everything. So you can use like a phone number, whatever you wish to use, and everything is pretty sorted. So I'll actually just go back because I don't want to cover everything like how to do it in this video. I just want to tell you what you need to do. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be generating leads via lead formats, and when people will become a lead, we reach out to them via WhatsApp or SMS, and then we use AI to convert them into appointments and book it automatically for your clients. And you might be thinking like AI is not good, bro. AI performs better than humans in terms of appointment setting, at least on text right now. When it becomes better than voice, we will create like a outbound voice AI agent as well, because right now if we use like a voice AI, we have it inside a platform, but it's really good for like inbound calls right now. It's not the best for outbound calling because like text-based AI has been outperforming it. So soon, outbound calling will be coming here where you can use AI to call people as well. But yeah, right now, inbound calls are supported. So let's use text AI till that point of time. And that's how we will be booking meetings for our appointments. If you want help with this after you sign your client and everything, just create a post tagging me and I'll help you one-on-one to ensure like all of these things are running and you can actually get results and everything using SalesGen for your clients. And soon in the future, like I'll create like a free course on this as well once I figure out a really good process and everything. So a link will be added over here, like in the comments below this post or whatever, or over here only. So yeah, that's up to you as well. Like the third thing which you were asking me about, a lot of questions related to ad creatives, VSL, script, whatever. VSL is out of question because we're running like lead formats. So don't even worry about it because it's another hassle and client does not want to really do it. So don't waste your time on that crap. If you don't know how to generate like ad creatives and you want help with the same, the first thing I'll suggest you to do is use images as they're easier for the client to share. If you ask your client to share like an image, like pick up their fucking iPhone and like take a picture of the thing, whatever they do, like the business, them serving people, them in a car, whatever, it's easier for the client to do it. It takes less effort to click a picture than for them to sit down, set up the lighting, like dress up well and to record like a video from a script. They're gonna make errors, then they're gonna send it to you. You'll have a lot of problems editing everything. So I'll just suggest you to use like image ads because it's obviously cheaper and it's better and faster to get everything sorted and running. It's better, like it has been working well for that guy I just showed you the example of, like a simple image which takes like what 2 minutes to create. He just wrote text on a white background and that has been running so freaking well for him that he has been running that ad for like 11 months, almost a year, and he seems to not be stopping it at all. So use images because they're easier for the client. and it's actually better than video ads when you don't have a proof of concept. So get some leads first, and then you can maybe transition into video ads to scale and everything. But till the time you don't do it, I just suggest you to focus on image ads. If you want to use video ads, you're like, yeah, I'm Adam and my client said he'll kill me if I don't use video ads. Don't ask clients to record videos and everything, because most of them hate videos. And when they try to promote their own business, it comes off as very sleazy and salesy and all of that crap. And humans can just smell like what do you call it, sleaziness. Humans can just smell it. They can just tell, okay, this person is trying to sell me something. There's a reason all these big e-commerce brands, they pay like UGC creators like hundreds and thousands of dollars just to create like simple 60-second ads for them, because they perform better. These brands are not stupid. If they were not investing the $1,000 into the 60-second video, they ask like a random guy from China to create or something, then they won't be paying these people. So UGC type of ads, they actually work better, but I'll actually suggest you to use AI video ads over here instead of asking the clients to do it, because again, most of them hate recording videos. Most people in the world actually don't like recording videos. They don't want to appear in front of a camera because we all have insecurities, and we don't want to appear in front of a camera, to put it out simply. And yeah, most of the people hate it. More effort and sacrifice in your service means like it's less valuable. Everyone has read like 100 million offers by Alex Hormozi. He says constantly remove effort and sacrifice. So if you're asking people to record ads, it's again more things they have to do which they don't want to do. That makes the service less valuable. And if you're asking them to do a lot of work, there's a chance that they don't buy again. So that's why you use AI video ads, because they absolutely perform, they bang, and they're working pretty freaking well nowadays. And it has actually gotten really good. Like, most people recommend this tool. I've not really done it, but this is the most popular tool, which a lot of people say is the best one in the market. And they're like ad experts, and they've been doing this shit for like a very long period of time. So I'll always suggest this tool. So you can open this tool up. It's called Arc Ad, something like that. I think you can get your first video free, not sure. But yeah, you can see some samples as well.
Smartest gym bag to ever exist. The Conquer Back.
Yep.
Ready to level up your...
So they have like different industries and niches, you can see, like e-commerce, SaaS, lead generation, marketing agencies, real estate agencies, law firms, everything. Like, you can see different things. And yep, so just go ahead and try it out. And I'm pretty sure that would help a lot, because you're not going to be asking your clients, hey, can you please fucking record this shit? A channel I would, like a guy I would actually recommend you to watch is Alex Becker. He's really good with meta ads. So maybe he might be way too advanced for you. Business channel. He had like a very small... Yeah. So this is a channel where he only speaks about like meta ads and everything. But this might be way too complex and advanced for you. So I'll add this channel link over here as well. Oh, scroll. On all related to ads. Boom. So this is a pretty advanced channel, so I'll not suggest you to like come over here and do it whatever if you're just starting out, because you'll probably get like way too like overwhelmed and shit. So just simply start it out normally, and yeah, once you're ready for that, then you can maybe go onto this channel, buy his software as well. I don't have like an affiliate link or something. It's a very popular software. And that's how you can deliver good results with meta ads to clients. If you have any questions, just simply leave a comment below over here, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. I hope this helped. Have a lovely, awesome, fantastic day ahead. Bye bye, man. Take care.